we're not keeping count of the number of Taylor Swift merch items I own. I mean, this one's subtle. Well, TTPD. Anyhow, hello and happy Monday. Welcome back, or I guess if you're new here, welcome. Hi, I'm Ashley. I guess this is gonna be a week in my life. I don't have anything exciting planned, just normal work from home stuff and some home reno stuff later this week. We're really trying to make some progress on that. But yeah, come hang out with me. Like I said, it is Monday. I'm gonna hop in. I have a hair and I see it. Okay. Could I be closer? I am going to pop into the office and start getting some stuff done in there and bring you guys along. Let's go check out the email situation. Okay, so it has been 3 hours. I've just been deep in the Googleverse trying to find things for a client, which is fine. But I am freezing all of a sudden. Like, it is so cold. It's really not that cold. It's 45 degrees. I am blush blind, apparently. It looks fine in the mirror. In person, fine. On this camera, looks like I'm having an allergic reaction. That's cute. But I'm gonna go put on slippers, which is something I don't do. I'm wearing socks and it is still cold. And then I'm gonna jump into some other work. Thank you, dishwasher. All of a sudden, actually, I think I really want this. I need to stop talking. The other day we were running errands and I was freaking parched. And it was one of those things where you get like multiple beverages. I think we got 2 or 3. Anyhow, I got that and never got to drinking it. I think I want it right now. I am going to reheat last night's dinner for lunch today. My jaw just like hurts from like clenching and focus too much. And I was like, oh good, I'll eat lunch. We'll go for it is now downpouring. We'll still go for but maybe an abbreviated one. It is pouring literally like at an angle, nearly sideways. All right, there we are. Say it looks better when it's like fresh, but it looks about the same. Honestly, the game changer is all the herbs on top of it. This one just has cilantro and green onion, but it's pretty tasty. So my client meeting got rescheduled for tomorrow. I had a filling fall out of my mouth and my uncle rescheduled lunch. It's been a wild little bit since we've last checked in. So I think we're gonna call it for today and I'm gonna go start on dinner. Oh, and feed the puppy because he would like his dinner. I'm being stared at. I better go. I'm not really sure what happened to the audio here. But basically, I decided to make a carrot cake cookie, and they turned out pretty great. I will link the recipe below. It's from Roma Bakery. But yeah, they took a lot longer to bake than the recipe said. Pretty chewy, a little crispy, pretty decent overall. Here they are, going into the oven. Cute little guys. And then you can hear me complaining about groceries. So when I went grocery shopping last week, their online ordering was super messed up and I ended up getting 4 2-packs of cream cheese when I ordered 1. all sorts of funky things happened in that order. It's whatever. But I was like, oh, I should make the frosting, as we call it, which is a cream cheese frosting with brown butter. It's delicious. But my friend and I were talking about like a carrot cake cookie. So I thought I'd give it a try. I probably should have taken you on this journey with me, but I'm just kind of in a mood today. And no one wants to be my company today. I don't want company today. Should reflect on that. I won't. Anyhow, I'll let you know how these look when they come out. This is, focus. This is the frosting. Apparently we're not gonna focus, okay. Cream cheese frosting with brown butter. Vanilla paste makes all the difference. It's a few days later and I need to get some things done. I really want to make some progress on this, well, this void that is here. So I can either start by putting together like the box structure that's going to be here. Essentially, we're going to build out storage to take up this space. And then the cabinets will go back here. That cabinet is still together. This is the original size. This one has Minnie's litter box in it. That's the cat. So I kind of want to start I'm not sure. Let's look at my notes. So here are my very official notes of like cuts that need to be done. And then I like visually mapped it all out. So I could definitely start putting some of that together. Or I could put together the cabinet and maybe bring one in and see how that looks. That feels less daunting somehow. I think we need to, I'm picking my nose. I think I need to go on IKEA's website and look up the instructions for putting those back together, and maybe we'll do one in the garage. Fun hang in the garage. Okay, it's pretty loud, so this is gonna be montage. Okay, so that was a lot. I got 3 of these guys put together over there, but we're gonna call it for this week. So thank you so much for hanging out. Don't mind the status of this garage. It is toasty in here. I'm gonna go figure out where Linus ran off to, and we will continue this next week. I think I'm gonna just go chill for the afternoon. But again, thank you so much for hanging out. Please stick around, subscribe. New vlogs every Sunday. All right, guys, have a good week.